As for today's video, ay only English lang ang gagamitin, ha?
English lang?
Kaya don't open your mouth if you don't talk to English, okay?
So hard.
What? Di ba ma'am, dapat kayo ang unang mag-English kasi you are the first person? Now, you have -5.
Tapang natin.
Oo nga, no? Teka lang, bakit mas marunong ka pa sa teacher na nag-aaral ng 12 years plus 4 years at nag-aaral pa rin still ngayon? Ha? Are you teacher?
No, I'm a
Eh,
student.
ma'am, ganun po pala katagal mag-aral, no? Grabe naman po pala. It's so long.
True, true.
Oo nga, no? Teka lang, parang nagsalita ka yata ng Tagalog, ha? No, ma'am. I'm Japanese. Arigatou gozaimasu. Kawaii!
Well, it's so basic lang naman sa akin kasi yung mother tongue ko, English. Okay. Ano? Mother ang English? Mother mo ang English? Hey Pinky, do you think I need to buy brain cells for Emma? Siguro hindi na. Ako po, I'm not Tagalog.
Miss Pinky, did I heard it right? Nagsalita ka ng Tagalog?
No ma'am, because I never, ever,
Okay, but I'll be watching you, ha?
Watcher?
Ay, Tin, paano tayo makipag-kising nito kung puro English yung sasabihin natin? Baka magdugo yung ilong natin ito. Hindi, huwag kang maingin. Baka magkita tayo ng mga... What are you doing, Miss Luna Sky? We doing okay. Fine.
We're dancing.
Are you talking Tagalog words in my class? We are not. We are me, you, and love the Mother Earth.
What is that?